I think it depends on how much work it is to do something. So, for example, doing an art fair is a ton of work. And if you're selling stuff at a super low price point at a fair like that, that's a lot of hours into something that, because the price point is so low, is not going to have you do very well in terms of the amount of money that you could possibly make. On the other hand, if doing this show, if that's easy and it's not a huge amount of work, that could be really fun. Because I think with any event, the takeaway, instead of just thinking about the money, seeing people's reactions. You could even use that just as a chance to show some of your pieces just for display, not necessarily because you're like pushing the selling, but then have the low price point pieces. Because Mia does that a lot where she will have like a huge piece. So it's eye catching. It gets people over to her table, but it's at a higher price point, obviously, because it's a bigger piece. But the purpose of that painting being there is not so that you will necessarily sell it. It's there to be eye catching. But then she has like other pieces. And if it sells, fantastic. Now, in terms of exposure, whether it's always a good thing, it also depends on the event. Like some events are not well positioned. Like I did this art fair a really long time ago where the location of it was really bad. It was, I think it was like on the sidewalk of Boston City Hall, and it was open certain days. And then I realized this is a terrible place to sell because the people who are going to the fair, the people who are seeing it, are on the way to work. They don't want to be buying stuff. Whereas if you do something like a holiday sale, people going there, they're looking for gifts and they need to get stuff. But people on their way to work, they're not buying stuff. And so some of it is researching the event, like seeing, okay, is that actually going to be worth my time? Is it attracting an audience that is there to buy? For example, a lot of art fairs, they will charge a fee, an entry fee. So if you go to this craft fair, you got to pay like $5 or something like that. Anybody who pays $5 to go to the fair, they want to do something at the fair. They don't want to just like show up and do nothing. Now, in terms of exhibiting and selling, exhibiting is a whole other thing. It's like you got the universe of exhibiting, the universe of selling. Now, there's overlap in there for sure because exhibiting is sometimes about the sales, but for a lot of people, when you're trying to really level up the kinds of shows that you do, it's less about the sales. And also, there are certain galleries, they just don't promote the sales very much. A commercial gallery will, but that's like a whole other thing. I know a lot of people, their exhibiting work is at a gallery, but then their selling stuff is like a whole other gig. And sometimes some people keep it deliberately separate. Other people will have some crossover, but I think you want to look at what's the takeaway. Like obviously with sales, you're trying to make money. Now with exhibiting, are you trying to get the experience of exhibiting? Is it just really rewarding to have the work? I imagine it must be showing in the hospital, like so many people getting to see that work. Whether you want to level up your gallery shows, that's a whole other thing as well. So I hope that was helpful. Register for our free workshop, Secret Weapon to Selling Your Art. Link in description.